down? Who gon' burn it down? Burn it down. Burn it down. Who gon' burn it down?
UGG was founded in 1978 on the coast of California by an Australian surfer, growing to become a global lifestyle brand renowned for its iconic boot. First worn by Hollywood royalty, fashion editors, and then the world, UGG has expanded beyond the icon to design footwear, apparel, accessories, and home decor, continuing to be embraced globally by those who refuse to be defined by convention. The brand that has always celebrated unapologetic individuality with an uncompromising attitude towards creativity, quality, and craftsmanship for the bold, provocative, free-spirited, optimistic, and authentic, does it yet again with a classically chic rain boot. Featuring a high-gloss attitude, the UGG Shaye rain boot offers a waterproof construction and sheepskin-lined design to keep your 10 little toesies warm and dry. And then some, with a waterproof design to help protect against heavy weather conditions. Rain, snow, water, and even maybe shine. But don't despair, as it's not your typical down-home rain boot, no, but a sleek and slick stunner simply made for wet weather. That's right, SHOEPERFLY brings all the hottest footwear your way, from sneakers, sandals, stilettos, and boots. So like, subscribe, and hit that bell for a reminder each week to check out what SHOEPERFLY is giving.
That you wouldn't wanna read it back. Kiss me, is one and only beautiful liar. Tell me how you tolerate the things we just found out about. You'll never know. Why are we the ones who suffer? Have to let go. He won't be the one to cry. Let's not kill the karma.
The glossy, pull-on style, knee-length rubber rain boot with a 12.5-inch boot shaft, 16-inch calf circumference, and 1 1/4 inch heel, features a no-slip rubber lug sole, upper genuine shearling lining, and a plush cozy footbed cut from genuine shearling. No appliques, but the UGG rivet on the outer side, just pretty, pure, and plain in all its glory, with a removable insole with real fur from sheep sourced possibly from other countries of origin outside of the US. So, if concerned, see packaging for confirmed country of origin, but construction made in the US of A, with industry-leading processes to ensure only the highest quality for that signature feeling of an UGG. Here in a women's US size 9 in black, retailing for $85 excluding tax and shipping from UGG retail outlets and other fine retailers like Macy's, Dillard's, and Nordstrom, with the same availability for online purchasing. Unfortunately, the Shaye comes in whole sizes only, so for half sizes, order next size up. Also offered in the additional color charcoal and as an ankle boot in the Sienna version, which is a 9.5-inch shaft height for $70 excluding tax and shipping. Also in both colors, black and charcoal. Me, I like to keep it all the way dry, so the higher the better for me. As you know, I got really sick recently after getting caught in a major storm with my clothes and shoes getting soaked to the bone. So if preferring a funkier, lower styled rain boot, then check out the Sienna. But if wanting to stay all the way dry to the best of your ability, then the Shaye is the way to go. So, the UGG Shaye rain boots are a gold mine in both comfort, fit, and style, adding rainy day functionality into the mix with just about any outfit, really. And despite it being rubber, which is a first for me as I usually don't rock rubber rain boots, I really like it. Simple but stylish, snug and warm, and extremely comfortable, staying true to the UGG feel. If your man or partner isn't able to keep you warm, trust me, the UGG Shaye rain boots will. Note though that the rubber does flex, so it's not hard and stiff, but moves when you move, glides when you glide. Definitely SHOEPERFLY though. A do-buy, as who would have thought UGG would come through with a hot rain boot. Not trying to be funny, but UGG can be a little stiff looking at times, but a hot one here though. Pair stylishly with the UGG rain boot socks from UGG, which cuff over the top for a customizable style, and you're undoubtedly fit right for the weather in your warm wear from head to toe. Here, take a look at the UGG Shaye rain boot and tell me what you think.
You were born that far away, so we could both make fun of distance. You got a number, foreign and far. You were born that far away, so we could both make fun of distance. You got a number, foreign and far. Feel like a crack of your resistance. Have you ever tried the candy so rich? Come take close on your body. I could imagine that we're only can even reach to love somebody. Can't you see? I'm at your feet. Whenever, wherever, we're meant to be together. I'll be there and you'll be near, and that's the deal, my dear. They're over, you're under, you never have to wonder. We can always play by ear, but that's the deal, my dear. I'm at your feet.
Well, until next week, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so you can get a notification every time I post a video. Period. I'm out. Okay, wait a minute. I'm just gonna do it again.